Hello guys, how are you? You know me, right? Amol Bakshi. Actually, before starting this Facebook Live, I had earlier also I had tried to do that. Unfortunately, there was some error, and now I am reconnecting. So now before we are going to discuss today about a new kind of video, that's every one of us. In the last video also I had discussed about it in brief. So this is a new kind of video, especially post covid. It was there earlier, but very few people were using it, and now the time has come where every one of us, almost every one of us, is familiar with the word Zoom. But before starting the topic, a very sad news came to us today about Sushant Singh Rajput. He was a very fine actor, and I must say it was a very unfortunate way to depart. Very sad. So, guys, all we can do is we basically don't know about other people's troubles. Everything looks very nice from the outside, and you never know what exactly are they facing and how are they coping up with the troubles. But a lesson to be learned, that we need to be tough, and we need to teach our children to be tough. I mean, that's the only thing we can do. Okay, so hi Kalash, I can see you. Okay, so we are talking about this new kind of video today, Zoom School. Pehla lesson, I mean, for the first lesson in Zoom School, about just I had experienced a while ago. Connection issue. From tomorrow onwards, from 15th of June, normally what happens on 15th of June, school begins. छुट्टी खत्म, स्कूल शुरू वाली फीलिंग. तो अभी ये हाल है कि छुट्टी तो ख़त्म है, बिकॉज दिस छुट्टी इज प्रोलॉन्ग फॉर 3 months. 3 महीने तक चली है छुट्टी, एंड दिस टाइम इट्स हाय कैलाश, दिस टाइम दिस holiday is finally hi Sushan, so this time this holiday is finally ending, and the schools are going to reopen, but the schools are not going to reopen in the school premises. They are going to reopen in our homes, the homes of the students, the homes of the children. So many of the schools, those couldn't do with the technology, and because our honorable chief minister also had stated that those who can do with the technology can always go for technology, and those who don't have any facility to provide with the technology, they should try and do some physical kind of school. तो जहाँ जहाँ तकनीक पॉसिबल है, टेक्नोलॉजी पॉसिबल है, आप ऑनलाइन स्कूल के लिए जा सकते हैं. जहाँ पे नहीं है, आप अपना जो नॉर्मल वाला स्कूल है, बट विद द सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग नॉर्म्स एंड एवरीथिंग. लेकिन अभी ये हाल है कि स्पेशली इन पुणे एंड मुंबई एंड इन मेनी पार्ट्स ऑफ महाराष्ट्र और इन इंडिया, द स्कूल्स आर रीओपनिंग एंड विथ जूम कॉल. सो we all now know about this word Zoom call. Zoom call is a video call where multiple or video conferencing, kind of video conferencing, where multiple participants can participate at the same time, wherein one party can host the meeting or a class, and many can attend at the same time. You can ask questions, you can listen to them, you can even record a Zoom call. So there are many aspects, and I'm not going into much of technical things. What I am trying to, why I am hosting this particular Facebook Live today, is to make you aware about a few things. As a student, as someone who is receiving at the receiving end, who is not hosting a Zoom call. Who's hosting a Zoom call? In the cases of students, schools are hosting a Zoom call. So now, here we are at the receiving end. The children are at the receiving end. Now, what precautions we need to take care of. The one I mentioned earlier, which with the issue I faced, that was about the connection. I connected to Facebook Live, and what happened? In a minute, I got disconnected, or it tried to reconnect, and nothing happened. And then this entire thing hung up, and my Facebook Live got stuck up. So I had to stop it. I had to check my internet connection, restart everything, and again restart the Facebook Live. This might happen. You need to understand and remember this might happen. So before that, check your internet connection. See that your modem or your phone, whichever you are going to use as a modem to communicate through internet, उस बात को, उस modem को, उसकी बैटरी जो भी है, या अगर बैटरी नहीं है उसको इलेक्ट्रिक कनेक्शन पे आप रख रहे हो तो सही हो, वो इट शुड बी इन द वर्केबल कंडीशन, so that your children shouldn't face any kind of trouble while learning. क्योंकि टीचर्स को पता नहीं है आपके घर में क्या हो रहा है, वो सिखाते जाएंगे. अगर आपका कनेक्शन नहीं हो रहा है तो यू विल मिस आउट, योर चाइल्ड विल बी मिस आउट. तो ये चीज हो सकती है. तो फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, इंटरनेट कनेक्शन का पूरा ध्यान रखिए. दूसरी चीज ये होती है कि in fact, you must have also seen about it. Okay, before that, many of you will be going for this Zoom class through a laptop or an iPad or tab or a mobile phone, whatever it is. So this device, whatever you are going through this device is going to work in two ways. One, it's going to be your screen, and two, it's going to be your camera. So input and output both. So first things first, for any type of camera, whenever you go for a Zoom call or any selfie or let's say photo, so anything you go for, clean the lens of your camera. Clean with a good dry cloth. ये जो यहाँ पे लेंस होती है, इसे और इसे एकदम साफ करके यूज कीजिए हमेशा. आप जूम कॉल करें या फिर आप वीडियो कॉल करें या व्हाट्सएप कॉल करें या फोटो निकालें, सेल्फी निकालें, हमेशा याद रखिए कि इसको साफ करना है ना, ताकि सामने वाले को आपकी शक्ल या आपको आपकी शक्ल ठीक से दिखाई दे. दूसरी चीज, जब भी आप जूम कॉल अटेंड करें तो नेवर एवर लुक इन द लुक एट योरसेल्फ. एज इन, मैं अभी बहुत लोगों को देख रहा हूँ, बहुत सारे सेलिब्रिटीज भी इसमें शामिल है, मैं नाम नहीं लेना चाहता, बट व्हाट पीपल आर डूइंग राइट नाउ इज दे आर लुकिंग एट देयर ओन इमेज ऑन द स्क्रीन एंड टॉकिंग, बिकॉज इट्स अ सेल्फी कैमरा. तो क्या होता है कि यदि मैं अभी आई शो यू एन एग्जांपल. नाउ सी, आई एम लुकिंग एट माय इमेज. सी, आई एम टॉकिंग टू माई सेल्फ. ओ माई गॉड, माई हेयर, आर दे ओके? ओ, सो मच स्वेट, what am I going to do? So instead, देखा आपने फर्क? अभी मैं, now I am looking in the lens directly. So here I am talking to you, whereas here I am talking to myself and not to you. So obviously, even for teachers, please remember this. All you have to do is to look in the lens, so that you will be looking at the children and not yourself, away from the lens. So this is again to understand. And so next is about the camera position. Many times what happens, people just put their cameras anywhere. Cameras, I don't mean by a DSLR or a specific digital camera. I'm talking about your mobile phone, your device through which you are going to communicate on a Zoom call. So what people do is, people hold their cameras like this. So what, have you ever seen yourself? And if you put it like this and look at yourself, or here, like it will be looking like this or this. So do you want yourself to be seen like that? I don't think anybody would, right? So hold it properly or place it properly right in front of your eyes. Currently I am putting it on a tripod. Obviously, I'm doing a professional thing over here, so obviously I have this tripod and those attachment and everything, but you can place it on a table somewhere or anywhere, but you need to place it properly. Whatever your mobile, if it's a mobile, if it's a computer, then it's obviously going to be you are going to put it on a table. But it's a mobile, if it's a mobile, many times many of the people, even I have already mentioned that many of the celebrities, they make this mistake. They just hold it somewhere like this or this, and then they go on talking. I mean, you guys have been facing camera for years and still you are making a mistake. So obviously those who follow them, they would never understand. So for teachers, put your camera right in front of your eyes and look in the lens. Same with the students. So you as a parent should help your students in that. Obviously they are not going to understand that this kind of arrangement has to be done, right? So this is about the camera position. Next is the light. Again, celebrities. Because why I'm saying all the time celebrities and all, because we have been watching them all the time on television and in their Facebook lives. Vast difference, huge difference. The light is somewhere here on their top, or somewhere there, or right in the background. I mean, come on. You'll have to show your face properly. In a Zoom call, the window for your child is going to be this tiny, right? So if you want your child to be seen there properly in the class, then sit in front of the source of the light, a window or maybe a tube light or a table lamp, but the source of the light has to be on the face and not in the background, not on your back or not anywhere else in the field. Like here, I have put a light on here because I don't have a window where I can get the perfect source at this time. So I'm putting it right in front of me. So now, even if you say, okay, we don't have such kind of arrangement and at our home, but guys, this is going to be permanent for a while, at least for the first term. So you'll have to make that arrangement. Put a light source right in front of the face and put your laptop or iPad or mobile phone over there. It is very much necessary. Same with the background. I am putting up this background. What if I put all the books here, some messy things, like जैसा तैसा पड़ा है, कहीं भी पड़ा है, कुछ भी हो रहा है, अच्छा लगेगा आपको देखने के लिए? तो जो भी बैकग्राउंड आप प्रिफर करें, उस बैकग्राउंड को अच्छे से नहीं, मतलब आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू पुट अ फिल्म सेट ओवर देयर, बट वॉट एवर यू पुट, वॉट एवर बैकग्राउंड यू चूज in front of your light source has to be proper, at least presentable. It shouldn't look messy. And you as a parent, some schools have advised that parents have to attend classes along with the children till the time the children get accustomed with the whole process. That's fine, that's perfect. I'm not saying that they are telling anything wrong, but after that, or once your child gets accustomed with the process and he or she sits on their own and follow the links and put the passwords and attend the Zoom classes and everything, आप उसके पीछे मत मंडराइए, या ऐसा तो प्लेस चूज करते वक्त ऐसी प्लेस मत चूज कीजिए कि जहां पे आपको बार बार जाना पड़े. वो जोक सुना है ना, वेयर कि एक बंदा जो है वो स्कूल खुलने के बाद ये कपल जो है पेरेंट्स ये जाते हैं स्कूल में, so these people go to school and meet the class teachers. So the class teacher says to the lady that, oh, ये लड़के की माँ है. So she is like, what? आपको कैसे पता कि आप इनको कैसे जानते हैं, मेरे हस्बैंड को कैसे जानते हैं? हाँ, वो जूम क्लासेस जब भी होते हैं ना तो पीछे आ जाते हैं, वो झाड़ू पोछा वगैरह करते हैं. Jokes apart, झाड़ू पोछे की बात नहीं है, बात ये मतलब कोई भी कुछ भी काम करे, बिल्कुल मैं उसके खिलाफ नहीं हूँ, मैं खुद करता हूँ। तो बात यह है यहाँ पे कि आप जब जब भी आपका बच्चा पढ़ रहा है, तो यू शुड प्रोवाइड हिम एन एनवायरनमेंट लाइक अ स्कूल. नाउ स्कूल हैज कम टू योर होम, so your home should, I'm not saying it should look like a school, but at least the environment shouldn't be casual. There should be some serious kind of environment where your child also should want to learn. He shouldn't get distracted, he or she shouldn't get distracted. आप पीछे पीछे मत जाइए यहाँ वहाँ वहाँ, तो even the teachers get distracted. So you'll have to keep these things in mind while on a Zoom call. अभी बच्चे के साथ with my son's school, they have told that he has to attend a Zoom call in his uniform. I'm sure many of the schools must have advised that, and that's a good thing. So एक तो वो निकल गया कि चलो पहनना क्या है, तो पहनना है यही कि यूनिफॉर्म पहनना है, बट इसके साथ कीप ऑल द थिंग्स रेडी ऑन द टेबल फॉर देम. जैसे कि नोटबुक हो गया, बिकॉज दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग द टाइम टेबल्स, यू विल हैव टू सिट अकॉर्डिंग टू टाइम टेबल्स. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि घर में है तो मैं पीछे से बुक लेके आता हूँ, मैं लेके जा उसको दे देता हूँ. डोंट डू दैट. डोंट टेक इट कैजुअली. पुट ऑल द बुक्स, ऑल द नोटबुक्स, even the water bottle there. Don't put any snacks. Don't put any kind of snacks, because it's not a film that he is munching on a popcorn and watching. It's a serious thing. But water bottle, yes. Make sure that your child does the breakfast, eats the breakfast, or at least drinks milk before attending to classes. क्योंकि आप स्कूल भेजते हो उस वक्त सारी चीज़ें आप करते हो कि मिल्क दे दो, आप दूध दे दो उनको ब्रेकफास्ट दे दो खाने के लिए, 2-4 टिफिन दे दो छोटे मोटे. यहाँ पे आप ऐसा होता है, मतलब आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू विल डू इट और एनीबडी वुड डू इट. एक कैजुअल अप्रोच सा आ जाता है, घर पे ही है ना स्कूल, क्या फर्क पड़ता है. तो व्हाट आई डू इज आई गिव हिम और हर एज एंड व्हेन रिक्वायर्ड. नो, put everything ready, because this is going to help you as well. Once they are settled, you are free to do all kind of work. I mean, आपको यदि पता है 9 बजे से शुरू होने वाला स्कूल है और 10:30 बजे उसका एक पहला ब्रेक है, तो यू आर गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर द ब्रेकफास्ट फॉर हिम. अगर आपको पता है कि 12 बजे तक स्कूल चलने वाला है, 1 बजे तक स्कूल चलने वाला है, तो आप उस दौरान अपने काम कर सकते हो, अपने आप को फ्री रख सकते हो. 9 बजे से पहले अगर आप रेडी होते हो तो अब आपके लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी है. दिस इज अ न्यू काइंड ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी. इट्स अ न्यू वर्ल्ड नाउ, एंड इन दिस वर्ल्ड अगेन दिस Zoom इज अ न्यू काइंड ऑफ वीडियो विच यू आर गोइंग टू फेस. सो एंजॉय दिस वीडियो, बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस वीडियो, क्योंकि ये बहुत जरूरी होने वाला है आगे जाके. और ये सारे जो मैनर्स है, ये दीज आर लाइक वीडियो कॉल मैनर्स आई शुड से. सो दीज वीडियो कॉल मैनर्स are going to help your child everywhere, because here on everything, many things rather, are going to happen on a video call. You are going to get connected with your loved ones on a video call. You are going to get connected, you are going to host meetings on a video call, because many people have been doing it for the past 3 months. All the meetings are happening on a video call. Nobody is meeting each other. First they weren't allowed, and now they have understood the convenience of it. They could save on time, they could save on traveling, and efficiency is increasing. So your child is going to face the same thing. Your child has to go through this. So it's a new age now. You also should get accustomed with this new age, and you should prepare your child with all the video call manners. So understand this. Understand the whole process of a Zoom call, a Zoom school, and I don't think you will take more than 8 days to get accustomed with this or be in practice. उसके बाद तो फिर सारा आपके हाथ में है कि कितने बजे क्या प्लान करना है, कैसे करना है. बस एक चीज का ध्यान रखिए कि कुछ डिस्टर्बेंस ना हो बच्चे के लिए. दैट इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट, कुछ डिस्टर्बेंस ना हो. तो मुझे लगता है कि ये कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो आप ध्यान रखिए इन चीज़ों का. अपने बच्चों को सिखाइए, आप भी सीखिए, क्योंकि आपको भी आगे जाके इसकी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत पड़ने वाली है. So when you'll understand this, when you'll understand the kind of process how a Zoom call works, you are going to be very happy with the convenience. तो आपको ये लगेगा कि अरे मैं इतने सालों से क्यों नहीं कर रहा था. तो मुझे लगता है कि आप इसको सीखिए. ये जो भी चीज़ें मैंने बताई है उनको उनका ध्यान रखिए. पहला तो ये, तो एक बार रिकैप करते हैं इसका सारा, ठीक है. So first I told about your internet connection. Make sure that your internet connection is working fine, workable. उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं आनी चाहिए. सेकेंड थिंग, हाँ एक चीज़ मैं बताना भूल गया था, अभी बताता हूँ कि इंटरनेट कनेक्शन के साथ साथ आपके फ़ोन की, आपका लैपटॉप, जो भी आप जिस डिवाइस पे, विच एवर डिवाइस यू आर गोइंग टू गिव योर चाइल्ड अ जूम स्कूल, मेक श्योर दैट द बैटरी इज फुली चार्ज्ड, और इफ नॉट then put it on charging. So this is really really important. Even if a desktop, make sure एक स्टेबलाइजर या एक बैटरी बैकअप का प्रोविजन करके रखिए, बिकॉज यू नेवर नो. We are not in somewhere, not in the world somewhere we are sure that there's no power cut. There are going to be power cuts. There are going to be hassles. You'll have to be prepared for that. Okay. So एक चीज, first thing I told about the internet connection. Second, the power backup and the power. Third, about the camera position. Place your phones or laptops or devices right in front of your eyes and look in the lens, not at your picture. I had shown you the difference. Third thing, about the light. The light source has to be on the face of the child and not in the background or somewhere else. No, right on the face of your child. Nothing should block his face. Okay. The background, I talked about the background. The background has to be clean, neat, and shouldn't look messy, right? Third, then you should not roaming around. You should not be roaming around while he is learning, he or she is learning. That's really important because it happens many times. Then you should prepare. The one thing I told you about the camera lens. Whatever device you are using, please keep the lens clean, and the screen also. Both a screen is your output and a camera lens is your input. So keep both the things clean. That's really necessary, and this is important not only in a Zoom call or a video call. Even if you are taking pictures or taking selfies or making videos, every time your lens has to be clean, spotless. Understood? Then give all the books and notebooks as per the timetable. Keep it ready on the table. Nothing should be left. If your child is using a pencil, they have to be sharpened. If your child is using a pen, make sure that they are filled, or keep 2-3 pens on a table. Keep a water bottle. No snacks on the table. The snacks have to be packed in a tiffin, or they can ask you for the snacks in during their breaks, because I have seen many of the moms are working moms and they'll be going out, so your child cannot ask anyone for tiffins. They'll have to be on their own, so pack the tiffins. That's the best thing to do, and it's a part of the discipline, right? Then we talked about the messy background. Yes, the background has to be clean and neat. And what else? So these are the video manners we were talking about in a video call. These are the manners. These are the new age video manners, video call manners, let's call it. So that's about it. If you have any questions, please you can ask, or I can say bye bye. You tell me. And I would request you to spread this message to as many people as you can. There's going to be our YouTube channel. I'm going to put all these videos on YouTube channel as well. Please subscribe to that and be a part of this community, the Vidwan Lab. and you can, as I told you, you can share these videos so that many parents should be benefited, the children should be benefited. Our lack of knowledge shouldn't come between your child and his education. That's what I meant for through this video. That's why I came live on this topic, Zoom School. And I hope you have got all the information I desired to give. So thanks for watching, and please keep spreading the joy of videos. Thank you so much.